What's coming up at the moment in a lot of my conversations with social workers, psychologists, counsellors who are working in the NDIS or thinking about working in the NDIS is their legal requirements for the NDIA or the NDIS. So in today's video, I'm going to give a 5-point plan as to how you, as a mental health professional, can make sure that you uphold your role as a psychologist and mental health worker to make sure that you don't get a nasty phone call from the NDIS essentially. So point number one is you need to have what's called as a service level agreement when you get referred a new NDIS client. So this is a legal document essentially. And if you are interested in getting a template for this, type in "I'm interested" in the comment section below, and I'll send you an example contract that I use with all new NDIS clients. The second one that you need to be aware of is you need to have a relationship with what's called as the support coordinators. So they're through different third-party companies. They're kind of like case managers, and they basically manage all the different supports for the what's called as the participant. And they have to do regular reports to the NDIS, so you want to make sure that they're not saying anything, I guess, nasty about your services. The third thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you draw down all your funds. So at the start of the plan, you might say, I'm going to see them every 2 weeks, and there'll be a certain amount of money attached to seeing them every 2 weeks. So you draw down the money, so that gives the support coordinator, they know that you've taken that money, you're going to deliver the services. And also it ensures that you can get paid. If you don't do this, then no one knows really what's going on, and there's a greater chance for, I guess, miscommunication. So the fourth one that you need to be aware of is you need to make sure that your notes reflect what's in their plan. So it reflects the goals that's in their plan. So most people at the start of their plan will have 2 or 3 main goals. Maybe they might have 1 or 2 sort of longer term goals. And for the NDIS to know that your counselling is value for money, that you need to demonstrate to them that you're helping the participant to move towards their goals, and that's what they're going to be interested in. And the fifth thing is you need to make sure that you do regular reports to the support coordinators, which will of course give them to the NDIS or the NDIA. So they're going to be every 3 months, and you can get paid for these, and they're going to reflect your notes and how people are going towards their goals. So it's a little bit different to maybe counselling in private practice, where it's maybe a little bit more broader. This is very specific and very sort of practical as well. So if you are interested in getting a template for a service level agreement or a contract to give to the participant before you start, type "I'm interested" in the comment section below, and I'll send that to you.